Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure realtor.com to build investment neighborhood shortlists. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open realtor.com in your web browser. Sign into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the homepage. Enter the city or neighborhood you're interested in investing. Press the Enter key or click the search icon to begin the search. On the search results page, filter the results to your preferences. Use the Buy tab to specify whether you want to buy homes or properties. Adjust the price range slider to fit your investment budget. Select the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you're interested in. Utilize the More filter to narrow down your search options further. Look for the Neighborhoods option to select specific areas. Add neighborhoods you want to consider for your shortlist. Once the neighborhoods are selected, apply the filters to see the listings. Review the properties listed in your selected neighborhoods. For each property, click on the listing to view detailed information. Take note of key details such as price, square footage, and amenities. Use the Save feature to bookmark properties of interest. Repeat this process for additional neighborhoods as needed. After reviewing, navigate to the Saved section on your account. Here, you will find all your bookmarked listings and neighborhoods. Consider creating a document to compare your shortlisted neighborhoods. Evaluate the investment potential based on property values and market trends. Once you have your shortlist finalized, start planning your next steps. Stay organized by revisiting your shortlist regularly for updates. Congratulations on configuring realtor.com for your investment searches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.